M0FXB, just going to show you how quick it is to download the Raspberry Pi operating system onto an SD card. Now, many of us hams have got Raspberry Pis lying around, SD cards lying around, so let's have a bit of fun. So, first thing is download the imager, which looks like this thing here. I'll put the link in the description. So download for Windows there, look. That will be the imager. See if we can find that. Also, you're going to need to download an image. So go down and look, see all download options. Go down, and I just click this one here at the top, Raspberry Pi OS with a desktop. Click download, and it's downloading here. So let's have a look at the imager. Click yes. Install. Let that run. And finish. And this is what it looks like. So I've got an SD card, 32 GB, plugged into my laptop. I formatted it already. So just choose your operating system. Now they've got one here at the top that you can just choose, or you can choose one of the ones you just downloaded. There's other options there as well. So I just chose the one at the top. Choose storage. So I've chosen the 32 GB SD card, and then just click write and let that finish, and it will validate it at the end. Once you've got that, then get your SD card and unplug it and then plug it back into the laptop. We're going to have to make a couple of changes, and that will be a bit further up in the video. So we want to start talking to our Raspberry Pi and get the Wi-Fi working and SSH. So first thing we'll do is go get the SD card, put it in the laptop so we can make some changes. This is after we've already added our image from Raspbian. So there it is there, boot F. So right click, click new, and click text document. And in here type WPA dash, that's the line at the bottom, supplicant, S-U-P-P, supplicant, like so, then .conf, .conf. Okay, once you've done that, just click, and then double click it. We want to add some text. Now, the text we're going to add is here on this document here. Now, here it is here. I was watching a video on it, and we found it, where is it? Here as well. So here we can copy and paste. So the first section we're going to copy and paste is the country section, which is, let's find it, this section here. We need to get the country right, and GB is Great Britain, but look it up. You can look up the country. So right click, copy, then go back to the file, like so, and paste it in here. We're going to make some changes to it, but let's add the two files first. So that's the country, and then the next thing we need to do is add, for the user and password for our Wi-Fi. So that's this one here. Just copy and paste this. Let's get the right one. Actually, it's this one here. So copy the whole lot. Copy, and then I'll have a link to this. Back to the text document, like so, paste. Okay. Okay, so let's get our country in. So what we do is, in between these arrows, just delete like so. And it's a 2-letter, and we're just going to put in GB here, like so. And then in between here, we want our SSID. So in between, going to delete that. Caps. MERCURY2. This is my test SSID, Mercury2. And then just for fun, as a password, we'll use RASPBERRY6. Actually, I'll change that to lowercase. RASPBERRY6. Okay. We can close that down. Oh, we need to save it. Go File, Save. Okay. We saved that, didn't we? Yeah, save. So close that down. And we've got that in there. And now we're just going to create one more file. So all we do is go back to the boot, right click, text, new, then text, and just put the words lowercase SSH. Okay, and did we save that? Let's just save it. Let's put it here, I don't think we need to actually put it in there, so but don't save it. No, I think it's fine, just a blank file saying SSH. Right, so now we can eject our card, eject, and then put it into our Raspberry Pi. Here we are. This is the new Pi 0 version 2. Very fast, very pleased with it. There's your SD card. Put him in, and then turn it on. Give that a couple of minutes to boot. Hopefully it will appear on the network. Right, we've got a Raspberry Pi and we want to talk to it, but we haven't got a screen or a HD screen, so we're going to use VNC Viewer for this. So download this program. I'll put the link in the description. And let's go over to our Raspberry Pi, which we know is connected to the internet now. We need the IP address. We've done a scan and we've looked, and it's showing up here with the IP address. Where's it gone? Raspberry Pi, there it is there. And you can use an IP scanner for that. There's lots of free ones. Put in advanced IP scanner into Google and you'll find one. So let's open up Putty. So download Putty, just put that into Google, and then we'll put in 192.168.0.107. Hit enter. And then the username, which says login as, put in Pi, P-I, and then password, put in RASPBERRY, and that's your password. Hit enter, and you'll get to this window here. Now move on to type in sudo space raspi, RASPI, flat line in the middle, and then config, and that gets you into the main sort of menu structure. There you go. So that's your main menu, and all we need to do now is to select two things. So go down to, let's have a look now, interface options, and then let's go down to SSH first, number 12, just enter that, and just make sure it says yes. If it doesn't, then select yes, click OK. I think you have to say yes twice, and then you OK it, yeah? Then same again, interface options, but this time we're going to enable VNC. So number 13, enter. Would you like VNC server to be enabled? Then yes, we've already got yes, and then OK. OK, then we can select the tabs, use the tabs on your computer, and then just finish. So we can come out of that now. So now, yes, close the session. Let's fire up VNC Viewer. So here we are, it's here. You can create an account, but you don't have to. And I look in here, type in 192.168.0.107, and then it does save these. Then click OK, and then I've typed the IP address wrong, so forget that one. We need to put an 8. Let's just delete it again. Yeah, obviously crucial. 192.168.0.107. Right. Okay, click it, and it will ask for the same password that we had before. Enter, and it might ask for some permissions. And look, now this is my Raspberry Pi, and so look, you can select things and go on the internet and run. And, I'm actually brand new to Raspberry Pi, so this, if you have, I'm on my laptop now. It could be any computer in the house on the same network. I'm on the same network that I put in here. This is my laptop network. So there you go. I hope this helps, and lots more things you can do. You can open your command prompt now a lot quicker, and have lots of experimentation. So I'm M0FXB Ham Radio. Andreas, catch you on air. Please like and subscribe to my channel. All the best.